So this week we are going to be covering filtering, searching, and sorting. Uh, for students who attend the live stream class on Monday, the 3rd of April, we are going to be sharing our term projects. I will videotape them for you, and then after class, I will post the video to the discussion forum, just like I did last time. You will need to create an entry with a link to your site ahead of time. And those should be in the Lesson 10 folder. So if we go down and look, Lesson 10, here is the discussion forum. Okay. And then you have a week to review each other's and, post some feedback. What we're going to do after that is work on the filtering, searching, and sorting. Uh, so I do have a reading assignment. If you have the textbook, it is chapter 12. Otherwise, there are several articles that cover not only JavaScript, but jQuery. And I am also including array processing because arrays are used when we get into doing sorts and that type of thing. You will go through the lecture demo and you will see that I've got quite a few videos on JavaScript array processing. This is super important for you guys to know because it is going to be on your certification exam. So make sure you know all of that. Then there are also videos on jQuery methods and array processing methods. The array processing in JavaScript is actually much more advanced than jQuery. Quite often what people using jQuery do is they will actually convert over to JavaScript and use JavaScript's array processing methods. So you're going to want to go through both of those sections. And then because some of the procedures that we're going to be looking at today do utilize objects and methods, I have kind of a little review on that for you. And then we get into the topics of the day, which is filtering, searching, and sorting. And then I also covered how to combine the filter and search process. So you could do either one. So there is a lot to unpack here. So as you go through here, we start with all of the good array information. And you'll notice I've got all sorts of goodies here for you. Interactive stuff, try it live. So hopefully you guys will stay engaged and interested as you are working through this. And then we talk about all these different methods that you can use. We get into sorting, how that works. Okay, into the jQuery methods. So as you go through here, all of the different methods that we cover, you will see them, especially the filter one, when we get into, how do we filter? How do we search? So after all of this background information, you finally will get down into filtering images. And so this is the textbook authors, and these little categories are generated. These are not buttons that were predefined, they are generated. Okay, so the filtering is kind of neat. So you will learn how to do that. And the videos do discuss how the code works. And then you will also learn how to do a search. So this is kind of the same example, but how would you limit it by searching? Okay, and then I have an example that includes filtering and searching. So these buttons were generated and I've got the filter box. So you can basically do it either way. Okay, so you can kind of see how that all works. All of this code is explained in the videos. So as you go through here, I do encourage you to watch those videos so you understand what the code is doing, because you are going to have to complete similar exercises. Then for sorting, you'll notice I have a couple different tables for you to look at. And basically they sort by column. So this is mine. And it goes from ascending to descending order. The textbook authors, he has more than just text. So you'll notice he's got time and date. So it's a little different. But as you work through here, watch the videos, then you'll understand what all the code is doing. And for the live stream students, I do this in 2 days. We do not try to get through it in one sitting because there's a lot there. So we'll probably go through the filtering probably the first day after we get done with our live stream, and then we'll do the searching and sorting the second day. As far as assignments go, you do need to commit your second milestone to your repo on GitHub, and then enter a link to that repository here. And then you have the assignment. So the assignment is you're going to do a filter or a search. If you do both, then I will give you 10 points extra credit. Okay, so I've got examples on filtering, searching, and both. And I included those videos that explain, how it works, just in case you forgot. The second exercise is sorting. So I've got a couple examples, the video that explains the sort, and you decide on what the content should be. Okay, totally up to you. Then if you have free time, any free time remaining, you can start working on that last milestone, which is all 3 of your games are working. You'll notice that you have quite a while to get that completed. It is not due until the 24th, which is at the end of the semester. Okay, so that is what you are working on this week. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, and have an awesome week.